this is Doug from DroneMobile. Today, we're talking about the Drone XC2. This is our newest dash camera that has live view capabilities, as well as integrated vehicle control. Let's see what's in the box. The first thing you're gonna see when you open up the box is the Drone XC2 itself. So you'll notice the form factor is the same as the original Drone XC, and we'll talk about the additional features of the camera itself, but it mounts the same as the original Drone XC. To remove it from the mount, you're just gonna open the door on the side of the camera and slide the bracket off to be able to mount the bracket and then attach the camera to the windshield. The next thing you're gonna find is a key tag. There'll also be a driver's door jamb sticker. You'll find a cleaning wipe that allows you to clean the windshield prior to sticking the camera, as well as a quick start card that comes with a mirror hanging tag. As you dig a little deeper, you're going to find the main connector or main cable for the Drone XC2. You'll find an extra mount in case you need this for another vehicle or you need to replace the mount on the windshield. You'll notice a new OBD-II adapter. This allows you to just plug into the OBD-II for a really quick and simple clean installation. You'll also find a Hardwire cable. This would be used if you're connecting the XC2 to a brain for a remote start and/or security system. You'll also find a longer mount in case the camera has to be located lower on the windshield. And lastly, 2 security screws and the tool to remove and install those security screws to secure the camera to the mount. So if you're familiar with the Drone XC, a lot of this product probably looks familiar to you because the form factor is exactly the same. Some key differences are the fact that the XC2 is now 3 channels. So it allows you to view the front camera as well as 2 additional cameras, either interior or rear facing. So that concludes our unboxing of the Drone XC2. If you're interested in more information, visit our website and check out our other videos.